Live Nation, where music comes to life. Introduction. Have you ever felt that indescribable rush when the lights dim, the crowd roars, and your favorite artist steps onto the stage? That magical moment when thousands of strangers become one unified force, connected by rhythm and melody. What if I told you there's a company that creates these life-changing experiences for millions of people every day? Stay with me for the next few minutes, and I'll take you behind the curtain of the world's largest live entertainment company that's transforming how we experience music forever. Before we dive deeper, if you're enjoying this journey into the world of live music, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content about the entertainment industry in perfect American English. Your support helps us bring you more videos like this one. The birth of a global entertainment giant, Live Nation. Entertainment isn't just a company, it's the beating heart of the live music industry. Born from a passion for connecting artists with fans, this entertainment powerhouse has revolutionized how we experience live performances across the globe. From intimate club shows to massive stadium concerts and multi-day festivals, Live Nation creates the soundtrack to our most unforgettable moments. But what exactly makes Live Nation so special in the world of entertainment? The answer lies in their unique approach to the art of live performance. Unlike traditional concert promoters, Live Nation views each show as a canvas, a blank space where artists can paint their musical visions and fans can become part of something truly extraordinary. Think about the last concert you attended. Remember how the stage design complemented the artist's aesthetic, how the lighting created the perfect atmosphere for each song. That's not by accident. It's Live Nation's artistic vision at work, elevating music from simple performance to immersive experience. The artist-first philosophy. At its core, Live Nation operates with an artist-first philosophy that has transformed the entertainment landscape. Through their Artist Nation division, they don't just book shows. They help musicians craft narratives that resonate with audiences on a deeper level. Take Bad Bunny's revolutionary World's Hottest Tour, for example. Live Nation didn't simply book venues and sell tickets. They collaborated with the Puerto Rican superstar to create a sensory journey that transported fans from Mexico City to San Juan through sound, visuals, and emotion. When Bad Bunny performed at Estadio Azteca in Mexico City, the stage became a portal to Caribbean beaches, with production elements that celebrated both Puerto Rican and Mexican cultures. This artistic approach extends to how Live Nation discovers and nurtures talent. Their scouts search endlessly for unique voices that deserve to be heard, whether they're established superstars or emerging artists with fresh perspectives. This commitment to artistic diversity ensures that Live Nation's roster reflects the rich cultural tapestry of the global music scene. A canvas for creativity, Live Nation's festivals. If you've been enjoying this exploration of Live Nation's artistic essence, now would be a perfect time to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We're just getting to the good part about their incredible festivals. Live Nation's artistic vision shines brightest in their festival portfolio. Events like Lollapalooza Mexico aren't just concerts. They're immersive artistic ecosystems where music, visual arts, culinary experiences, and community converge. When you step onto the grounds of Corona Capital in Mexico City, you're not just attending a series of performances, you're entering a carefully curated world where every element has been thoughtfully designed. The stages themselves are architectural marvels, the food vendors represent the best of local cuisine, and art installations transform ordinary spaces into interactive wonderlands. These festivals serve as cultural melting pots where diverse artistic expressions flourish. A fan might arrive to see their favorite headliner, but leave having discovered a new genre, tasted innovative cuisine, or connected with fellow music lovers from across the world. This cross-pollination of creative energy is precisely what Live Nation aims to facilitate. The company's commitment to artistic expression extends beyond the main stage. At EDC Mexico, for instance, Live Nation creates elaborate themed areas where performance art, technology, and music merge to form multi-sensory experiences. These spaces encourage fans to become active participants rather than passive observers, a hallmark of truly transformative art. The artistic elements of production. What many fans don't realize is the artistic mastery behind Live Nation's technical production. Lighting designers work like painters, using beams of light to create moods and emotions that enhance the music. Sound engineers are like sculptors, molding invisible waves into perfect acoustic experiences. Set designers transform empty stages into immersive environments that tell stories before the first note is played. Consider the intricate production of Coldplay's Music of the Spheres tour, which stopped at Estadio GNP Seguros in Mexico City. The stage design represented an entire solar system, with planets hanging above the crowd and LED wristbands turning the audience into a living light show. This wasn't just concert production, it was art installation on a massive scale, creating a shared experience that transcended language barriers. The artistic vision extends to how Live Nation utilizes technology. Their innovative use of augmented reality, immersive audio, and interactive elements transforms passive viewing into active participation. When fans attended J Balvin's Arcoiris tour in Mexico, they weren't just watching a show, they were stepping into the colorful, vibrant world of the artist's imagination, cultivating artistic communities. Live Nation's artistic essence isn't limited to what happens on stage. The company actively fosters artistic communities through initiatives like the House of Blues Music Forward Foundation, which provides education and career opportunities for young people interested in music and the arts. In Mexico, Live Nation has partnered with local artistic collectives to showcase traditional and contemporary Mexican art forms alongside international acts. These collaborations create cultural exchanges that enrich both the local and global artistic landscape. If you're finding this deep dive into Live Nation's artistic world valuable, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content that explores the fascinating intersection of business and art in the entertainment industry. The art of connection. Perhaps Live Nation's greatest artistic achievement is their ability to create moments of profound human connection. In an increasingly digital world, live performances offer rare opportunities for collective experience, moments when thousands of strangers share emotions, energy, and memories. When Mexican rock legends Maná performed their historic residency at the Forum in Los Angeles, a Live Nation venue, the concerts became gathering places for the Mexican-American community, spaces where cultural identity was celebrated through music. Live Nation doesn't just sell tickets to these events, they create sacred spaces where communities can come together and feel seen, heard, and connected. This art of connection extends to how Live Nation designs the entire concert experience. From the moment fans purchase tickets to the final encore, every touchpoint is crafted to enhance emotional engagement. Mobile apps guide attendees through venues, cashless payment systems reduce friction, and carefully designed spaces encourage social interaction before and after performances. A sustainable artistic future. True art looks toward the future, and Live Nation's artistic vision includes a strong commitment to sustainability. Their Green Nation initiative aims to reduce the environmental impact of live events through renewable energy, waste reduction, and carbon offset programs. At festivals like Vive Latino in Mexico City, Live Nation has implemented innovative sustainability measures, transforming how large-scale events interact with their environments. These efforts represent a holistic artistic approach, one that considers not just the immediate experience, but the long-term impact on our planet and communities. Conclusion: the never-ending performance. As we've explored throughout this video, Live Nation Entertainment embodies the essence of artistic expression in the live music industry. From their artist-first philosophy to their innovative production techniques and commitment to community building, every aspect of their business is infused with creative purpose. The next time you find yourself at a Live Nation event, whether it's at Foro Sol in Mexico City or a small club in Guadalajara, take a moment to appreciate the artistic vision behind what you're experiencing. The seamless production, the thoughtful design, the moment of connection with the artist and fellow fans. These are all brushstrokes in Live Nation's masterpiece. Live music has the power to transform lives, and Live Nation has mastered the art of creating these transformative moments. In a world where digital experiences increasingly dominate our lives, the company's dedication to in-person connection and artistic excellence becomes even more significant. Before we wrap up, If you've enjoyed this exploration of Live Nation's artistic essence, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos about the fascinating world of music and entertainment in perfect American English. Your support helps us continue creating content that celebrates the power of artistic expression. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the artistic heart of Live Nation Entertainment, where music comes to life, memories are made, and the performance never truly ends.